Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Apurva Jain. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to make powder highlighter. So first of all, you have to take any talcum powder. I am here using Assure talcum powder. You can use Pond's or any other, whichever suits you. You just have to take a little bit in an empty bowl like this. Then you have to take any compact powder. Here I am using Lakme. You can use Maybelline or any other, whichever suits you. We just have to take a spoon and then we rub it like this, and then we add into this. Just like I am using this. And then we mix it well. We mix it for a minute until it blends so well. Like I am doing this. Then we have to add any shimmer powder. You can use this kind of shimmer powder also. Here I am using my eyeshadow into this. You just have to take a little bit powder of your eyeshadow and then just mix into this. You can also use golden eyeshadow for golden highlighter and silver
like I am
for
doing.
silver highlighter. Then we mix it very well. Like I am doing. We mix this for a minute and here you go. Now I'm taking this empty container and add this powder into this empty container. So now I'm gonna show you how it works. You just have to take little amount of highlighter and then apply onto your skin. Just look at this guys, here is the shine. You can apply this highlighter onto your face by any brush or by your fingers, just by dabbing motion. You can also keep this for a long time on room temperature. You can also compare my both the hands. Look at this and just look at this highlighter shine. So that's all for today's video. Your DIY powder highlighter is ready. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.